Keto Supreme Pizza Rolls. Ingredients: 1. 2 cups mozzarella cheese. 2 1 teaspoon pizza seasoning. 3. 1/4 cup chopped red and green peppers. 4. 2 TBS chopped white onions. 5. 1/2 cup crumbled sausage. 6. 1 small Campari tomato sliced. 7. 1/4 cup pizza sauce. Instructions: 1. Preheat oven to 400 F. 2. Line a small baking pan with parchment paper, leaving extra on the sides so you can lift it out of the baking sheet while it's still hot. 3. Use just a dab of olive oil to rub down the parchment, you'll thank me later. 4. Sprinkle your cheese into the baking sheet. It should be a single layer of cheese, but enough to fully cover the bottom without any holes. You may need to add more depending on how small your baking pan is. 5. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon pizza seasoning over the cheese. 6. Bake in the oven for about 20 minutes, or until cheese is browned. 7. Remove from oven, and try to gently slide a silicone spatula under the cheese. If you can fairly easily get it under all the sides and then the middle, then it's ready for the next step. If not, cook longer. 8. If it's ready, add sausage, green peppers, onions, red peppers, and sliced tomato. 9. Drizzle tomato sauce over the top. 10. If you desire, sprinkle a little more pizza seasoning on top. 11. Add back into the oven and cook for 10 more minutes. 12. Remove from oven. 13. Remove pizza from pan by lifting with the sides of the parchment paper. 14. One more time, use a silicone spatula gently to just make sure the pizza isn't sticking by sliding it under all the edges, and then the middle of the pizza. 15. Looking at your pizza in a horizontal view, slice 6 strips top to bottom. Then roll them top to bottom. 16. Let cool for about a minute to set, then enjoy. These pizza rolls are made entirely of cheese and toppings. No crust, grains, or floppy cauliflower crust necessary. Macros per serving: net carbs, 2 gram, calories 117, fat 8 gram, carbohydrates 3 gram, fiber 1 gram, protein 11 gram.